Hey guys, if you are looking for a way to delete windows.old file from your computer system, then keep watching this video. So for that, search for disk cleanup and open it. Now select the drive and wait. So here we want to clean a system file, so let's click on clean up system files. Select your drive and this process can take a few minutes. Now select all the files and click OK. Again, this can take a bit longer. And once it's done, it will be closed automatically. Now our windows.old file should be deleted. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.